Welcome, fellow developers and enthusiasts, to an exciting exploration of Lightning Web Components, LWC. In today's session, we embark on a journey of completing another set of 10 questions and answers on Salesforce Lightning Web Components. Before we take our first question, subscribe to Longswitch Academy to learn and grow with us. Let's jump in. Resources play a crucial role in a developer's journey. Today, we explore the Lightning Web Component Developer Guide and discuss how it serves as an essential resource for building robust LWC applications. Question number 1. How can you use the Lightning Web Component Developer Guide, and why is it an essential resource for building LWC applications? The best answer for this question would be, the Lightning Web Component Developer Guide offers comprehensive documentation, examples, and best practices for developing LWC applications. It serves as a valuable resource for understanding the framework, exploring advanced concepts, and troubleshooting common challenges. If the interviewer asks about a practical use case, then you can use the following example. When encountering a specific issue or learning how to use a new feature in LWC, the developer guide provides in-depth explanations, code samples, and guidance that help developers quickly find solutions and apply best practices. Managing large arrays efficiently is critical for optimal application performance. In the next question, we discuss considerations for handling large arrays in Lightning Web Components and explore strategies for optimizing data operations. Question number 2. What are the considerations for handling large arrays in Lightning Web Components, and how can you optimize performance when working with extensive data? The best answer for this question would be, handling large arrays in LWC requires strategies such as using pagination, virtual scrolling, or batch processing to minimize memory usage and improve performance. Considerations include avoiding unnecessary data copies and optimizing data access patterns. Let's understand this by taking an example of a financial application that displays transaction history. Optimizing large arrays ensures users can browse through extensive data quickly and efficiently, enhancing the overall user experience. In the next question, we will explore the slot change event in Lightning Web Components and its pivotal role in managing dynamic content. Join us to discover how this event can enhance your component's adaptability and responsiveness to changing data. Question number 3. What is the role of the slot change event in Lightning Web Components, and how can you use it to manage dynamic content in your components? The best way to answer this question would be, the slot change event is fired when the content of a slot in a Lightning Web Component changes. It allows developers to track when the content in a slot is updated, enabling them to manage dynamic content efficiently within their components. Let's see a practical use case for the use of slot change. In a custom card component with a slot for content, the slot change event can be used to apply different styling or behavior based on the type of content inserted, such as adjusting the card's height or width to accommodate the content. DOM manipulation is a powerful tool in web development. In the next question, we explore the data id attribute in Lightning Web Components and how it enhances DOM manipulation and event handling, allowing developers to manage elements efficiently. Let's move on to question number 4. How can you use the data id attribute in Lightning Web Components to improve DOM manipulation and event handling? You can answer it as follows. The data id attribute is a custom attribute that can be added to elements within a Lightning Web Component. It serves as an identifier for easier DOM manipulation and event handling, enabling developers to target specific elements within the component. If I have to highlight one practical use case, then we can consider an interactive form. Using the data id attribute on input fields allows developers to quickly access and manipulate the values based on user interactions, such as applying validation rules or displaying error messages. Accessibility is a cornerstone of inclusive web design. Join us as we explore the aria * attributes in Lightning Web Components and discuss how they enhance accessibility, ensuring all users can interact with your applications effortlessly. Question number 5. What is the purpose of the aria * attributes in Lightning Web Components, and how can they improve accessibility? The possible answer for this question can go like this. The aria * attributes, accessible rich internet applications, provide additional information about elements for assistive technologies, such as screen readers. By adding these attributes, developers can improve accessibility by conveying the purpose, state, and behavior of elements to users with disabilities. To understand the purpose of aria attributes, let's consider the example of a complex navigation menu. in a complex navigation menu. Using aria * attributes on menu items ensures that screen reader users receive clear instructions about the menu structure, making the navigation experience more intuitive and user-friendly. Before we move forward in this video, I wanted to pause and ask, do you have any questions, suggestions or doubts? If yes, then please feel free to use the comment section to dump your questions, suggestions or comments. We will try to respond to them at the earliest. Thank you for your patience with us and watching the video till this point. Without wasting a second, let's jump on the remaining questions. Reusability is key to efficient development. In the next question, we will discuss how to implement reusable templates in Lightning Web Components and explore the benefits of reusability for creating modular and maintainable applications. Question number 6. How can you implement reusable templates in Lightning Web Components, and why is reusability important for efficient development? You can explain it like this. Reusable templates in LWC are achieved by using template elements to define HTML fragments that can be reused across different components. Reusability reduces redundancy, simplifies maintenance, and allows developers to create consistent and modular applications. To understand the practical use case of this, let's take the example of a sales application. In a sales application, defining a reusable template for displaying customer information, example name, contact details, ensures that the same consistent layout and design are used across multiple components, streamlining development and maintenance. Loading events provide valuable opportunities for initializing components. Join us as we explore the onload event in Lightning Web Components and discuss how handling this event can benefit your applications. Question number 7. How can you leverage the onload event in Lightning Web Components, and what are the benefits of handling this event? You can explain it like this. The onload event is triggered when an element, such as an image or script, has been fully loaded. Handling this event allows developers to perform actions such as initializing components, setting up data, or displaying content only when the element is ready. You can consider the following as the practical use case for the above. In a media-rich application, using the onload event to handle the loading of images ensures that components only display content after all resources are fully loaded, preventing layout shifts and improving the user experience. Data updates are a core part of interactive applications. In this discussion, we explore the role of the getRecordNotifyChange function in Lightning Web Components and how it facilitates data synchronization across components. Question number 8. What is the role of the getRecordNotifyChange function in Lightning Web Components, and how does it facilitate data updates? The best explanation for this question would be, the getRecordNotifyChange function is a part of the Lightning Data Service, LDS, and allows developers to notify other components of changes to a specific record. By calling this function after modifying a record, all components wired to that record are updated with the latest data. The best practical use case for this would be a case management application. In a case management application, using getRecordNotifyChange after updating a case record ensures that all other components displaying case data, example, case history, case notes, receive the updated information and reflect it in their UIs. Array manipulation is essential for data processing. Join us as we explore the reduce function in JavaScript and its application in Lightning Web Components, discussing the benefits of this versatile array method. Question number 9. How can you use the reduce function in JavaScript to manipulate arrays in Lightning Web Components, and what are the benefits of using this function? The best answer to this question would include the following. The reduce function in JavaScript allows developers to iterate over an array and accumulate values into a single result. It simplifies data manipulation and transformation tasks, reducing code complexity and improving readability. If I have to mention a practical use case for this, then I would consider a financial application. In a financial application, using reduce to calculate the total revenue from an array of sales transactions provides a concise and efficient way to process data and derive meaningful insights. File uploads are a common requirement in many applications. Today, we explore the Lightning File Upload component in Lightning Web Components and discuss best practices for handling file uploads securely and efficiently. Question number 10. How can you use the Lightning File Upload component in Lightning Web Components, and what are the best practices for handling file uploads? You can explain it like this. The Lightning File Upload component provides a declarative way to handle file uploads in LWC. It simplifies the process by automatically managing the upload to Salesforce and handling file previews and metadata. Best practices include validating file types, setting size limits, and providing user feedback. To highlight a practical use case for this, we can consider a document management application. In a document management application, using Lightning File Upload allows users to easily upload files such as contracts or reports, while built-in file type and size validations ensure data integrity and prevent errors. And there you have it, fellow developers. Congratulations on completing another session question and answer on Lightning Web Components. As you continue your journey, remember to apply these insights in your projects, experiment with new techniques, and never stop learning. Together, we're shaping the future of web development with Lightning Web Components, one component at a time. If you found this session valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on Lightning Web Components and beyond. Until next time, happy coding, and may your Lightning Web Components shine bright.